In this episode, we get the 440 that was here finally dropped inside the car. Stick around, we'll show you what we did. What's going on, guys? So, where did I leave off last time was that we just got the car back from paint and nothing had gone like beyond that. So I've been slowly working on trying to get some of this car pieced together, to include getting taillights mounted. There's a couple blemishes in the paint that we'll have to fix once we get a little bit closer to actually getting this car driving and on the road. But ended up getting taillights installed. I also was able to get the door scoops. Also was able to get the dash dry fitted in. Waiting on some of the screws for that. Trunk extension, which are these here, put on. And then, yeah. Waiting right now currently on re-chroming the bumpers. So I have that. I have them assembled but are needing to actually be re-chromed so they actually look decent. And then our next big thing right now is get the 440 that used to be back over here actually mounted into the vehicle. So we have it over on the hoist right now. We're gonna get it dropped in and I'll take you guys along for the adventure. So there you have it, guys. The 440 is in. Working on a couple last minute things on it, specifically needing to get the scatter shield mounted up that I was able to get. So that's going to be here. So in lieu of the bell housing, my transmission needs to get put in. I need to actually pick up some long tube headers because the HP manifolds I have definitely is not big enough for that. And then really beyond that is going to be general reassembly on everything else and getting everything pieced together. So the hard part I have right now is getting the parts I'm needing. Example, carburetors or fuel injection. I'll probably do fuel injection. I need my actual proper bug, or my bird catcher. I'm going to do a bird catcher on that. Wiring. I need a radiator. I need, let's see here, ignition. Yeah, I need a lot for up front here. And then it's building everything else back here. Finish out my cluster so I can get that installed. End up getting the radio, everything else installed, ran through the wiring, the dash wiring. It's gonna be a lot of work, but I think it'll be worth it. Just gotta keep making progress. But if you guys like the video, like, subscribe, put in the comments below if you guys like faster videos like how I'm doing now, or if you guys want the 20-minute or so, 30-minute long videos to try to give you a more bulk update. But other than that, you guys keep building and I'll keep you posted.